Farms worldwide are realizing the financial and lifestyle advantages of DewPoint machines when baling hay. Our goal at Staheli West is to revolutionize the agricultural industry, ensuring that operations of all sizes have access to this game-changing technology. Today, investing in a steamer has never been easier with Staheli West's new PreOwned Machinery webpage. With new models continually released, more and more used steamers are becoming available, allowing operations of all sizes to invest in this revolutionary technology. Whether you're a small operation seeking a cost-effective entry into DewPoint machines or are hesitant about adopting this new technology, a pre-owned machine could be the right solution for you. Operations all over the world have experienced the remarkable return on investment that steamers offer. Find out how a DewPoint machine could pencil out on your farm.
We're gaining 15% leaf in those bales in the field consistently. We've paid for 2 machines in 1 year.
In our first year, we estimate that in the bale weights alone, we gained 90,000.
Between our savings and increase in yield and also quality, I think that we paid off for it in less than a year.
Listen to and watch the experiences of smaller operations that opted to buy used steamers. Discover how purchasing a pre-owned steamer transformed their operations.
I looked into the steamer, just the neighbors all had them. I saw when they were baling and I couldn't. And one of the neighbors was upgrading his steamer and I knew they took very good care of their equipment, so that's when I purchased the used steamer. I would say that it used to take us 30 days to put up 1,400 acres of hay, and now we do it in 10. It's life-changing.
I farmed 250 acres. I'd seen it, but I just didn't think that I could afford it. All my equipment I bought early on in farming was all used equipment. So I would say, try to start with a used machine, and then once you get that machine and you get going, you'll find out that when it comes time to upgrade, you'll get a new machine. Doesn't matter if you're a farm of 5,000 acres or 250 acres, it's going to make a difference in your bottom line.
Get connected with a DewPoint seller, or if you currently own a DewPoint machine and want to upgrade, get connected with a prospective buyer. We can help facilitate the conversation alongside our network of dealers. List or browse pre-owned steamers and so much more. Check out the new page today.